Hi everyone, my name is Vivian Karamitris. I'm the founder of First Gen Finance, and I'm really excited to be here with you today. I wanted to give a little intro about First Gen Finance, why I started it, what I'm trying to achieve, and how I'm trying to help you guys. So I started First Gen Finance because I am a first generation student. My mom is from Peru, my dad is from Greece. They know nothing about the education system here, about how finances work, how taxes work. I had to fill out my own FAFSA. So I really wanted to figure out, how can I best manage my money in this country? How can I learn more about taxes? Oh, well, still getting used to this whole YouTube thing. But basically, how can I manage my money efficiently so that I will have enough while I'm working, enough to pay the rent, enough to have everything that I need, plus a little bit more for investing, for retiring, and for fun. And I think it's really important to state that money isn't everything, but it does help with a lot of things, and that's why I'm here to help you, because I know people say money can't buy happiness, but it sure can help with happiness. So that's my goal with First Gen Finance, is to help everyone from underrepresented, low-income, first-generation communities, especially those who are younger, work through how to manage their money, how to invest, how to pay off debt. And I want to use the knowledge that I've gained and that I've learned that's not manipulated by anyone whatsoever, by any company, no sponsorships, nothing. I want to give you the information straight up so that you can better your financial status and become financially free and independent from anyone. I'm so excited for you guys to be here. I can't wait to share so many videos with you guys. And subscribe, like this video, drop any comments of any videos that you'd like to see in the future about whatever. I'm so excited, and let's get started.